Hello, everybody! Another day, another morning of blessings.
Panira ng moment.
You crazy, oh! I like vlogging. Yala, you take vegetables. Hinak, here. This lady very crazy. I make vlogging. She's interrupting me. Hello. As you can see, they have too much tomato, but the tomato very big and very young. Not yet ready. I think maybe how many weeks need more to become ready to harvest. You see, as you can see, nagpaalam naman kami kay Papa Jemo. Sabi niya,
May karot!
hey, hey girls, they said tell to, hey girls, why you didn't listen? Did you tell already to Mama was Pia?
Yung anak mo ba? Who's that? Just no, Nana?
Kita mo, hindi sila nagpaalam kay Mama was Pia, basta lang sila nagdukot. Hello! Andito kami para mag-harvest. Naghingi kami ng gulay. Kasi, katatapos lang ng ulan, ngayon nagsikat-sikat ng konti yung araw. Hoy! Alam mo, wala tayong flowers. Dito marami siyang flowers. Look at that. That is the flowers. Ang ganda ng flowers niya. Oh, ito din, oh. Very, very beautiful. Like me. And the roses. The roses is pink. And this is the calabasa on it. Oh, they have too much capsicum. They have too much capsicum. Had a cabbage. Oh, baka ano to, te? Bakit ang laki na to? Kalabasa siguro to, te, no? Ayan bang mahaba?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkins. Ayaw mo ng kalabasa. Gusto mo pumpkins. Ay, pa-English pa to.
Iba ang pumpkin sa ano?
Sa kalabasa?
Kalabasa.
Oh my God.
Give me.
Look at,
Bring home.
you bring home.
Kasi lagi ko sa tinola.
Look at that. This is ready to eat na. Huh? It's ready to eat na. You can pick it and you can eat it. Oh, hoy, tingnan mo yung yung cabbage is died already. Ay, alam mo maasim siya na matamis.
Balik ako.
Walang hiya ka.
Balik ko sa tinola natin.
Mamaya na.
Matutuyo na yung manok na.
Hayaan mo yung manok doon. Matutuyo daw yung tinola niya, yung manok daw matutuyo. Lumipad na eh. Di ba? Nangapit pa kami dito para manghingi ng gulay na ilalagay sa tinola. Look at that. Uy, very, very beautiful and very interesting. Some flowers, some plants. Huh? Look at that. It's very awesomeness. Oh no. Oh, you see that? They can make it. Oh, look at that. Ang ganda. This is the most very beautiful. Oh. Berry. What you take? Huh? My father? They calling me? Oh my God. What my dad is over there.
It's no good for me. The sugar is, I know, I might have this on the shoulder, but
Gums, why? I'm walking there. Oh, there you go. The hub. Oh, but the strawberry. They eat already. I want this one. I will take it. The strawberry. Diba? Look at that. Mayroon na siyang hinog. Ayan o, mayroon ng hinog. Uy! Welcome to my vlog! Sa mga tomato! Welcome kayo! Ang kalaban lang dito yung mga bubuyog. Kasi nangangagat sila. Look at the tomato over... Oh my God! It's a bountiful bunch of tomato. Lalo na to, kumpul-kumpul, mga maliliit. Oh no. Look at that. What's so beautiful, isn't it? Oh no, this is it also. Nako, tapatya mo pa ng isa. You eating, isa? Me also, I'm eating. I'm eating strawberry.
Mama, let's go now. Finish. Tomorrow, strawberry. I will go the billet.
Very nice. I want that strawberry gumswai. I will take a strawberry. Oh my God. Hello, everybody. Welcome to my vlog.
No eating, Mama.
Why no?
This one, the broccoli. All broccoli.
No, you remove the broken and you can chop.
Chop, chop.
Yeah, you can chop on it, and then you can cooking. You put Ajinomoto. Oh my God! Look at that. Ooh, I eating. Nabubulok lang siya. Tingnan mo naman. Ay, nako. Nabubulok lang siya. Bakit? Bakit hindi na ito kinakain?
Kain. Let's go. Finish, kain. Finish.
Finish kain. You know what kain?
Let's go, Mama. No, wash. Finish.
No need to wash. They're raining the whole night.
Let's go, okay.
Oh my God. Look at that. Nabubulok lang sila, sayang. Oh no. Sayang oh. Ay. Iniwan ako ng mga kasama ko. Mga salbay talaga to. Ba't niyo ako iniwan? Nag-harvest pa nga ako dito ng strawberry. The strawberry direct to my mouth. Oh my God, it's carbon. This is broken. Oh no. What a broken. Ooh. I see. Wait. You see? Very beautiful. The flower behind the pants. See? This is very, very beautiful. And some houses down the mountain. Oh my God, down the mountain. Oh, the chicken. Hello, chicken. How are you doing? Okay. Bye, everybody. See you again soon. Oh my God. It's so much. Alam mo, this is masarap. Masarap to. Ito, alam mo, ang lasa niya parang ano, very yummy. Para siyang, alam mo yung ano, para siyang yung sampalok na nag-aagaw yung tamis. Tamis at saka asim. Oh my God! Oh, what a beautiful garden ni Papa Jemo. You know, is Papa Jemo the plants in the garden?
Let's go.
Yala, Mom. Let's go. Okay, thank you everybody for watching. But I want tomato. Oh my God. God bless you all. Thank you for watching.